Welcome everyone back with another video of Investment Befores. Today my portfolio is up 0.87% for the day, sitting up over $3,021.04. And then let's take a look at the past week. Been up over 0.89% for the past week. In the past month, been down 6.95% for the past month. Past 3 months been down 5.89%. In a year to date, up 3.90% for the year to date. Past year up 3.88%. So we actually things have been down for the past few weeks, and it's continued to go down as well. But I'm still in the market. I'm gonna continue to keep buying, and we just keep dollar cost averaging and looking for new plays, and just keep building because we're gonna keep grinding and keep building wealth. So actually, I just recently looking to add. Well, I'm actually going to add, and I think y'all probably gonna like this one. It's actually I've been going back and forth between this one and Microsoft, but that is ticker symbol TSM, and that's Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing. So I just been watching this one for a while, and I've been really interested in this play for a long time, and I never had bought any shares of this. So I'm actually looking to add this to the, addition to this individual count. And so let's just they trade around $294 even, and a pre-market of 1.12%. Past week been down 0.93%. Past month been down, actually been up 5.74%. Past 3 months been up 22%. Year to date up over 49.24%. Past year up 47%. Really not too bad. It actually pretty much doubled in the past year. Past 5 years up 232%. Max of all time up over 1100%. So this would be I think this would be a great play to add to this portfolio. And actually, let's just talk about it so we go over what about Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing is about. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, Ltd. engages in the manufactures of cell and integrated circuits of water semiconductor and devices. Its chips are used in personal computers and peripheral products, information applications, wired and wireless communication system products, and automotive and industrial equipment, including consumer electronics such as digital video compact disc player, digital television, game consoles, and digital cameras. So actually, I want to take a look and see if they pay out a dividend, and they also do pay out a 0.78% dividend. The market cap is up over. Actually, the market cap is up over 1.51 trillion, and it had a 52-week high of $311.37. So actually, I think this will be, like I said, I think this will be a great play. This is not financial advice. This is just what I'm looking at, what I'm doing. So please make sure you do your own research on these ETFs and all these different stocks that I'm looking into. So I just want you just to follow my journey and take notes. If you like some of these plays, feel free to do your own research and go from there. And you see it's at a 96 buy ratio. So I'm looking at this one. I'm actually, I already know I actually really want to get into dumping more money into quantum computing too as well. And this is the only one I got. I know there's others out there, and I really want to get into those too, but I'm trying to focus on one at a time. And that's quantum computing. They see that's ticker symbol QUBT, and it's been down. And you see I'm down now 7.84%. And let's just look at the pre-market, how they've been doing, up over 3.83%. Past week, they've been down over 10%. Past month, they've been also down over 20%. And the past 3 months, been down 4%. Year to date, 0.84%. And the past year, looks a bit up over 1,400%. Past 5 years, 319%, max of all time. Well, we don't know if this is accurate or not, but it says here 99%. But so we're we're just gonna go with the 5 year chart because you know, I don't know if this is honestly true. Some of this, the high prices that you see on here on Robinhood, but I'm just gonna continue to buy. And you see them now sitting over 4.67 shares, and let's check it the market cap. They've been actually market cap is actually 2.98 billion. No dividend payout, but like I said, I think this is gonna be the next big wave, and that's quantum computing. But there's two others that are really eyeing real heavy, and I just wish I had the funds to get it. And that's D Wave. You see here that the D Wave and Rigetti Computing. I'm actually I got all three of these on my watch list, but I'm really thinking D Wave is still kind of around my price point. D Wave Quantum Computing. D Wave Quantum is trading around $33.39. And I'm really eyeing this one heavy. And you can take the market buy on this one. 10 analysts saying 100% buy. And I believe that's the same as with the other play too. Is let's take a look here. And that's Rigetti. I actually hear a lot of people, YouTubers that I'm watching, actually talking about this one too as well a lot. And that's Rigetti Computing, and that's trading around $40.92. So I'm actually looking at these real two plays real heavy. I wish I could own them all, but I mean, I'm trying to build out, at least 100 shares on the first one. So, but I'm actually eyeing these two really, really heavy. So please make sure you do your research on these. But I like all three of these, and I know it's probably others out there that I might be missing, but I'm getting into more of quantum computing and AI. So I think that's going to be the way the future is headed. And I know I've been kind of been focused on this account, a lot of high end dividend ETFs, but now I'm trying to be more diversified. And like I said, now I just added gold to the play. I added BT Gold, so I'm actually gonna be building that out too as well. And got to have a little bit of exposure to gold. I mean, I don't have any gold at all in my portfolios. I'm actually surprisingly, I don't. I have gold in crypto, but nothing in my individual account. So I think this would be a great play to keep, long term in this account. So I'm actually going to hold this one for long term, and I think this is a great price too. And actually, matter of fact, somebody's looking at it. Let's just look at the pre-market, been down 3.25%. Past week been down 11%. Past month been up over 2.33%. Past 3 months been up over 44.57%. And the year to date been up over 102%. Past year up over 47%. And past 5 years been down 27%. And the max of all time been up 289%. So all these plays that I've been looking at been performing in a 5 year time span, and I'm looking to invest 5 to 10 years and then go from there. Because I mean, I'm not really planning on to, I'm trying to build wealth. So, 10 years it'd be 5 to 10 years is going to be great for me to retire. So that's kind of where my goal sitting at is going to be. So comment down below. Let me know what you think about the new addition plays that I've just added to this portfolio and the things I'm looking at, adding gold and semiconductor. Comment down below. Let me know what you think about these plays. What are you looking at for this week? What are you trying to finish the year out with? What kind of stocks and ETFs are you trying to close out with? Make sure you check out some of the links down below. And everybody have a good one. Peace.